families would come and ask for their properties, but
Egyptian pounds. Just want to show you how they look during excursion yesterday. 100 pounds, which means $2. That's how they look, you see? Mosque and pyramid.
Yes. And then we need to be by the buses quarter or maybe 10 minutes to 6, because you need to eye your luggage to make sure that they did collect it. That's why I'm gonna give you passport and the white fox. Do not put it in the luggage, because once we get to Luxor, the luggage will go straight to the cruise ship. We go on a tour on a different bus. That's why you have to have this handy, because we have a tour upon arrival. So you wear what is suitable for a tour. We have 2 sites to visit tomorrow in Luxor: walking shoes, PM lunch, and the check-in. Your luggage should be already there in your stateroom. And then we have a meeting with the manager at 4:30, the boat manager, the hotel manager, and then a tour, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful temple at night. 5:30, it's dark already, so that will be your only temple to see by night with the spotlights. It looks very different than any other temple that you usually see it daytime. I'm saying that to encourage you not to sleep in and forget the tour.
$25 million live in Cairo, and 11,000 cars. 11 million cars. That's how people live.
Metros, subways, and electric trams connecting the whole country together. And this is an ongoing mega project just to convince the Egyptians to move out of the very highly populated cities. The problem is Egyptians are not mobile.
No, you feel it. Yes, of course.
Including Egyptian Christians, Jews, and Muslims, they all left. So very few families will come and ask for their properties, but club, golf course, horse tracks, this is all on the island, including the Marriott Hotel, which used to be a palace built specially.
Dinner on Nile, Cairo. Pages. That's a view from our cabin. Early risers went to balloon riding. How many of them? Probably 10, around 10, 12, 82 people on a board, on a cruise. Good luck to them. You see?
Hello. Nice, baby. Nice, nice, nice. Oh la la. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh la la. One more. Habibi! Oh my God. Oh. Uh-oh.
Buggy
City
as the
called Edfu.
transportation to the temple. But some of these locals abused the animals, which made a lot of agents to boycott the horse and buggy method, bringing their own vehicle, including Viking. We used to use the horse and buggy till last year, but Viking got very negative feedback from the guests, so they decided to boycott the idea of the horse and buggy. So there is the temple on the left, built and dedicated to Horus the falcon. And here we notice that